Hi everyone, this is Abhinaya from Bharathidhasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. Today we are going to see a interesting subject. Interesting subject in the sense it is a math subject. Okay, we are going to see two topics in our subject. You are also familiar with the topic, but today we are going to see in depth. Okay, in math subject, standard 1 subject maths, and our topic is place value and expanded form. Okay, let us see what is meant by place value. Okay children, so place value, we have 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, like it goes on, these digit numbers. Okay, so place value is nothing but value of where digit in a number. Now we take 32 as a number. It consists of 2 digit, right? 1 is 2 and then 3. This number has 2 digit. So this digit, there will be a value for each digit, right? 2 as a value and 3 also as a value, right? This is called as place value. Okay, so we take the value of where a digit is in a number. Okay, then 2 digit number we take it as 32, and now we are going to find place value for this 32. Shall we find out? Now we have only 2 digit, right? And the right corner of the number will be our ones, and the next to it, it is called as tens. We mention it as T. Okay, so ones, what is the place of one, what is the number in ones place? 2. Very good. So 2, and tens, we shortly write it as T, right? So 3 is in the value 10. Very good. As such, this follows in 3 digit number. We have 3 digit number as 658. Okay, and shall we write the place value of this number? Okay, it has 3 digit, right? So as I told you, take right side of the number. So 8 as ones, after this tens, and then hundreds, ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, we shortly write it as O, T and H. Okay, in this tabular column there is 100, 10 and ones. Okay, so O denotes ones, so we take 8 and write it here, and then tens, the number is 5. Very good. And at last the 100 is 6. Okay, so here 6. So we write place value in this format. Next we are going to see few examples on place value. So I am going to give you just 2 sums. We are going to work out on it. So our first sum is 73. So now we are going to write ones and tens for this. Okay, so ones and tens. As it is a 2 digit number, we are going to write ones and tens. Okay, what will be the ones in this place? Ones is 3. Very good. 3, and tens is 7. Okay children, now we will go on to 3 digit number. Okay, B sum is 406, and for 3 digit number we write ones, tens and also hundreds. Okay, so what is the ones here? As I told you, from the right side your first number is ones. Shall we take and write? So here 6 is our ones and 0 is our tens, and at last 4 is our hundreds. Very good. So in this manner we will write place value. Now we are going to stepping into expanded form. So expanded form is nothing but it is in a form of addition. Okay. So writing the numbers as the addition of the place value. These are the place value, right? Ones, tens and ones, tens and 100. With the help of place value, we are going to write expanded form. Expanded is in a brief form. Okay. So this is the expanded form, writing the number as the addition of the place value of its digit. As I told you, we have 2 digit, 3 digit number, right? With that number, we are going to use place value and addition. Okay, we are going to add. So now our 2 digit number is 94, right? So do you know, children, how many 0 present in a tens? How many 0 present in tens? How we will write 10, 1 and 0, right? How many 0 is here? Only 1, right? So for tens in expanded form, we use 1 0. Okay. So how we will write 1? We will write only 1, right? So there is no zeros. We should not use 0 for ones. The same, how many zeros in 100 shall we write? How we will write 100? 1, 0 and also 0, right? How many zeros in 100? 2, right? Okay, we use 2 zeros for 100 place. Okay, children, I think so you are clear with this. So with this concept, we will write expanded form now. Okay, children, as I told you, here ones place is 4, right? So for ones there is no zeros, right? So there is no 0 here. So and then 9. 9 is in tens place, right? So how many zeros for 10? As I told you before, 1 0, right? Only 1 0. So take a number and add only 1 0 with that, and as I told you before, it is an addition. So for addition, what we will use? We will use plus symbol, right? So here it is plus. Okay, children, now we will move on to 3 digit number. Okay, so our 3 digit number is 472. Okay, here we have ones, tens and also hundreds. Okay, children. Okay, as I told you, ones there is no 0. For tens, how many 0? Only 1 0, right? So for tens, 7 will take and write, we will put 1 0, okay, as it is a tens place. And for 100, how many zeros for 100? 2, right? 1 and 0 0, right? 2 zeros. So we take 4 and write it here. We add 2 zeros for, because of it is in hundreds place. Okay, so we will add together, as I told you before, addition. So we add these things with the help of plus symbol, right? So 400 plus 70 plus 2. Okay, okay, children. Now I am going to tell you I am going to give you few sums. I am going to give you few sums for practice, right? Okay. So first I will write 2 digit number. First sum, A sum is 13. So here we have ones and tens. First you want to write the place value, okay, ones and tens, right, children? Now we will write expanded form. Okay, now what is here? In tens place 1, very good. So we take and write 1. How many zeros for tens? Only 1 0, right? So add 0 to it. As I told you before, we have to addition and expanded form. Okay, so put plus symbol, and at last what is this next digit? Ones, very good. 3. So there is no zeros in ones. Okay, so as such we have to take and write. Shall we write the second sum? And second sum is going to be 3 digit number. Okay, 3 digit number 372. Okay, and here ones, tens and hundreds, as it is a 3-digit number. Now we are going to write expanded form for this 3-digit number. So 100, how many zeros for 100? 2, right? So take 3 and write, add 2 zeros with this, very good, 2 zeros, and in expanded form we use plus symbol, right? So put plus here, and next 7 is in tens place, right? 7, and for tens place we add only 1 0, right? So 0, and as usual we have to write plus symbol here, and at last our ones place is 2. Okay, so you write 2 here. Should we add 0 here? No, because it is in ones place. Okay children, I hope you understand this topic, place value and expanded form. I hope you are all clear with it. Okay children, with this video I have attached self-assessment alone. You should practice this self-assessment. Okay, parents, please guide your children to write this self-assessment. Sure, you will make it. Thank you children. Bye bye.